Today we are gonna be looking our goddamn Twistex astronaut. Okay, this is Twistex when I make the movie. Okay, let's read that. What the hell? Yeah. Okay, this is my new Twistex truck. Making for our astronaut. Look at the antennas on there. It's not cool enough. Daddy, stop! No, my coin! Do not reveal. Run! My God, what is with my coin? I just take. Oh, okay. I remove my coin. It is 3 because I'm just get the microphone, the pixel phone, and the headset. Pixel phone and the headset and headphone. This headphone is ugly too, okay? And this is my microphone. Wait. Okay, this is my goddamn. Oh, that's okay. Let's intercept the tornado. There's nothing on here. And this is the antenna looking from tornado. And this is the balls, the little balls on the side. When we not put a ball on here, they gonna be like this. Ooh. Oops, it's just a sound of goddamn astronaut. Oh god. Hey, speed fast. Wait. Okay. Goddamn astronaut. More Forbes. Okay, we intercept the tornado today. Wait. No. Not that again. Damn it. I'm gonna be died. Goddamn astronaut! Rip Twistex truck! That's it. Oh, that's my Twistex is arrowing like a spider. Oh, that's a good idea. That's what I mean. That is not a goddamn. Okay. Wait. Like and subscribe or your phone it's gonna be got throw and just burn with a flamethrower. Damn God! That is just a prank. Visible. Okay. What is this? Invisible. Is it on the? Okay, nothing. Nothing. Is it on this? On? Syringe gun. Okay, what is this thing? Oh, that is not invisible. That is a damn god astronaut. Okay, nothing guys. And our Twistex or has a friend name. Our friend has. Okay. We intercept the tornado. Wait, we already intercepted the tornado with my free key. And why the Twister? Okay, nothing, guys. Then God or Twistex God has been sassy with or the Twistex card is sassy to him and throw some babies. Wait, where's the babies? Here are the babies. Wait. Okay. Now let's wait this. Drink this map. And rip Twistex. Said Twistex in the comment. Okay. Now let's wait this. Just take a little bite of my monstrous. Nope, okay. Let's we deploy. This do. Okay, nothing. Boom. We not can deploy. For that, Twistex tracker. This is the armor. 1. This is the antenna. 2. This is the wind speed checker. 3. This is the antenna 2. 4. This is the small wheels. 5. This is the lights. 6. This is the wheels. 7. This is the inside. Now this is the Twistex. 8. This is the box of thing. And just like that, boom. Yup. And just boom like this. Slap her ass. Okay. I slapped her ass with a weight. Shut up.